Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bepro. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you, honestly. Sharing is caring. I really appreciate the level of support on the channel. Please smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you're not really subscribed. So for me, I'm picking this as a little altcoin gem moving forward. Okay, and these are lovely little altcoin gems that you want to find. Basically, it's a fantastic project. I won't go too deep down the rabbit hole, you know. I don't really do that. Look at the fundamentals with you. I'll leave that for you to do. Sometimes I might go down that rabbit hole, but I won't in this instance. Okay, it's pure technical analysis. For me, you've come up into this pattern, you're calling up in a horizontal, you're looking for a break. I do think you're at least going to retest that high, okay, but I do think that once you start to break that high, you're looking at a beautiful impulsive break to that white line. Okay, so this could offer a fantastic opportunity going forward in this bull market. For this particular project, you could be looking at a whopping 2,760% upside. Okay, it's looking good. You know, you've come down, you've had your ABC correction just there, you're low balled out, you've came down, you prevented the death cross as well, okay, and you're coming up the stairs. It looks amazing. So, you know, so someone brought this to my attention. I've never heard of this project before, to be honest with you. One of the Patreons brought it to my attention in a live stream. So you can see, look at that, boom, 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 boom. You break that resistance there, I think you're looking at that absolute minimal in this bull run. You know, look how bullish it is. It's looking amazing. So for me, you know, you've held this support, which is even more amazing. You know, it would have looked nasty if you'd have lost that and start to roll down, lose that low. You can see it's some kind of double M top pattern and you roll into a bear market just there. But I don't think that. I think what you've bounced off a key level support just there, which is amazing. Equally, on the weekly, you know, you've just put in a whopping hidden bullish divergence just there. You've got that low and that lower low in the RSI, and then in the price action you can see you're making a low and a higher low. So that's called a hidden bullish divergence. So right now it's playing out. So you're coming back up to retest this resistance at least. Okay, so you know it's looking good. It is looking good, but there's no guarantees. Please remember that. But you are calling up in a horizontal continuation pattern here for this particular project. So you know, look at this buy and go to the beach on the weekly just there. This 20 crossing the 55 on this little altcoin gem down here. Okay, I've just seen a very similar project play out like this. It's called XPR. Basically, it did it a few weeks ago. It's ran up, come back to support. I think it's looking good, but anyway, that's a separate video. I do apologize. This is Bepro. So right now, you know, down here I would have been dropping my fibs on down here, and you would have been going, oh, no way, it's not going to the 1618, you're not going to get to 2, and you're not going to get to 2.272. But look, it did. I mean, look at that for an opportunity down here when you got the buy and go to the beach. Okay, just there, look at that. 2.272 was a 4,032% upside. The 1618 would have in itself was a 970% long op. Amazing opportunity, you know. So right now I do think potentially if we're coming up like this and retracing, because this for me could be a massive monster wave here, you could be looking at a beautiful upside, you know, on the fibs just there. And my minimal target would be that white line, okay, in this bull market. Obviously you're going to got these levels of support, resistance just there, sorry, as well. So these would be my technical targets. Once you take out this high here for this particular project, start to come up quite impulsively. If you start to see it break 047, I do think you're looking at these levels of resistance and support above, and these will be my minimal targets in this bull run. So let's have a look at these. Okay, from here to retrace to the high is, let me get that knob on just there. So from there to retrace to the high is around about 385%, and then going to the 1272 is around about 970%. The 1414 is around about 1509%, and the 1618, you know, get that parabolic meteoric rise up there, is the 2,829% in this bull market. So it's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, it's looking good till it's not. Obviously, come up, coil up, coil up, coil up. Lose this support right now, that could be quite negative. Like I said to you, put in a double M top pattern, and you can see you're losing the weekly EMAs, okay, and you're rolling there. So I don't necessarily envision that, because you're coming up into a continuation pattern here, and you are getting back above the EMAs as well. So you're holding this 55 as well, which is bullish. Like I said to you, if you do start to lose that, like you did here, look, you rallied into it, and then you put in a lower low, so you capitulated basically. You came down, ABC correction, low balled out. Right now you're coming up back up the stairs, aren't you, for continuation of the trend right here for this particular project. So yeah, keep an eye on this. Come to the charts, draw this level of resistance just here, okay, because I do think once you start to break that, wow, you're looking absolutely amazing here for this particular project going forward. Bepro, and just to show you as well, it's a little altcoin gem. It's only sitting at around about 68 million. So that particular projection just there would take it over $1 billion market cap for this fantastic project. I'll drop a link to it in the video description for you, okay, so you can sort of go down the rabbit hole yourself. Take care everyone, hope you enjoyed that little update on this altcoin gem, and thank you to the Patreon that found it, okay, in the live stream. Take care everyone, bye bye.